stars finally aligned to make this moment a reality.
In this vast universe, among the billions of people throughout time, somehow we found each other.
Then we found true love.
You had my heart before I could say no.
Your love is my turning page, and only the sweetest words remain.
We were once just two strangers.
I vow my love for
We knew
you,
nothing of each other
forever
then.
and true.
But slowly, that nothing
Turned into one of the most beautiful things I have ever experienced in my life.
As I know from the start, I wanted to marry
It
you.
all started when I first saw you.
I fell in love with you so quickly.
Everything went blurred and you are the only one that is clear.
It's like everything just fell into place. Like everything happens for a reason.
You are the man that God made for me.
This is not a one-day event, but a
I
lifetime.
have never felt so complete.
There's no one I'd rather be than be with you.
I have no words to describe the excitement I feel to be able to wake up next to you every waking morning and sleep beside you every night.
A good woman is hard to find and worth far more than diamonds.
It became so easy to be happy with you.
You are God's gift to me.
You enjoy making me feel like a lady. You fight for me and you protect me and you guard my heart and shield me from pain. You are my prince and my hero.
I often reflect and ask myself, how did I get so lucky?
We found an even deeper connection that our inner souls seem to have already met many lifetimes ago.
Sometimes, I just want to go back to the time I first met you. Just to see, reminisce how it all started. And it's so amazing to think that I never thought of changing anything, not even once. Fast forward to today. Here we are, preparing for our special day.
Now without doubt, but full of hope. Now without fear, but full of love. Making the best decision of my life.
assured that this vow I make today will last through eternity, as it's etched down to the core of my heart.
For in the end, it's no longer just about me.